Top 5 sulfate-free shampoos available on Amazon.in. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are diving into the world of hair care with a special focus on sulfate-free shampoos. Sulfate-free shampoos are fantastic for maintaining healthy, vibrant hair without the harsh chemicals that can strip your locks of their natural oils. I've curated a list of the top 5 sulfate-free shampoos available on Amazon.in that you need to try. Let's get started. 1. Joico K-Park Shampoo and Conditioner Litter Duo 33.8 ounces set. First on our list is the Joico K-Park Shampoo and Conditioner Litter Duo. This set is perfect for repairing and strengthening your hair. The formula contains keratin and other essential nutrients that help in restoring hair health, making it ideal for damaged and chemically treated hair. 2. Catwalk Digi Fashionista Blondes and Highlights Shampoo and Conditioner Set, 25.36 fluid ounce. Next, we have the Catwalk Digi Fashionista Blondes and Highlights Shampoo and Conditioner Set. This set is specially designed for blondes and those with highlights. It enhances the vibrancy of your hair color while keeping it nourished and hydrated. 3. Best Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner. The Best Sulfate-Free Shampoo and Conditioner is a fantastic option for those looking for a versatile product. It's the best aftercare for extensions, hair color, and keratin hair treatments. This natural protection formula is perfect for preventing damage, especially after Brazilian blow-dry straightening. 4. Bedhead Digi Resurrection Shampoo Conditioner Set. The Bedhead Digi Resurrection Shampoo Conditioner Set is a powerhouse for reviving weak and brittle hair. If your hair is in need of a serious boost, this set is formulated to strengthen and restore life to your locks, making it a must-have. 5. Pura Dior Hair Thinning Therapy Shampoo and Conditioner 2-piece system. Lastly, we have the Pura Dior Hair Thinning Therapy Shampoo and Conditioner 2-piece system. Infused with premium organic argan oil, biotin, and natural ingredients, this set is perfect for all hair types. It helps in preventing hair thinning and promotes healthier, thicker hair. There you have it, the top 5 sulfate-free shampoos available on Amazon.in. These products are excellent for maintaining healthy hair without the harsh chemicals. I've added the product links below in the description section, so make sure to check them out and let me know which one you are excited to try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.